Okay, I want to briefly talk about distributive property. Now, the distributive property has to do with parentheses. Alright, so let me give you an example here. So let's try 6 times 1 minus 5m. Okay. So the thing is, when you have a distributive property, you're going to have a number outside of the parentheses, or we call, a lot of times we call this a constant. Okay. Then what we want to do is we want to expand this, right? Get rid of the parentheses. Now to do this, we have to distribute. So we have here a 1 and minus 5m, right? So to distribute, what we have to do is we have to multiply this 6, this number right here, the constant, times the first term, and then multiply the same constant times the second term. So in this case, 6 times 1 is 6. Then 6 times negative 5m or minus 5m is minus or negative 30m, because 6 times 5 is 30, right? So this is how you distribute out. Let's try a couple others. Let's try negative times negative 2 minus n. Alright, try this on your own. Pause the video. Okay, so now this looks kind of peculiar, right? Because you just have a sign. But okay, so if this looks kind of odd to you, whenever you just have a negative sign here, you can also think that this has like negative 1, okay? It's the same thing. So again, you multiply the outside constant times the first term, and the outside constant times the second term. So negative 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 1 times negative n, or yes, negative n is plus n. So the final answer is going to be 2 plus n. Let's try one more. So we're going to have negative 3 times 7n plus 1. Pause the video, do the problem. Okay, so let's do the process again. So constant times the first term, constant times the second term. So negative 3 times 7n is negative 21n, right? Because 3 times 7 is negative 21. And then negative 3 times 1, that's going to be negative 3. So it's going to be negative 21n minus 3.